The summer is coming up, and if you're anything like me, you are looking for your next style. And I think you should try these island twists. I did these on my daughter for the first time, and I was able to really get it down to a science because I have really been struggling with trying to do these little twists. So, to start with, I just want to let you know that we did use regular braiding hair, and then we used human bulk hair virgin curly from my line Braidplicity, and we just use regular braiding gel. I like the the red gel. I cannot think of the name of it right now, but I'll put a link down in the description to show you the gel that I like to use. I have a whole breakdown of my favorite braiding gels. So what you really want to do is just make sure that you are combing through the root to the tip, and this is for any style that you do, any braiding style. So it's no different with the twist. And then something that I've added to my routine is just making sure that I use the edge brush and even the comb part of it to really slick that base down, because however that base looks before you start braiding or twisting is how it's going to look, once you let go. So I'm starting these twists off as a braid. I'm going to braid down about 3 to 4 times and starting it as a knotless braid. And then let me just say, for some of them I didn't put braiding hair immediately, but for most of them I did add braiding hair, just like you're doing a knotless braid. And if you need to, I have some videos on how to start a knotless braid. So once you get down to about 3 or 4, you can add in a piece of the human hair. So the thing about how I do human hair, when I get closer to the top of the head, I add the human hair sooner. When I'm braiding at the bottom of the head, I will put the human hair more towards the end of the braid so that I have like a layered disposition for the hair, so that it's fuller in the back, and then when I get to the top it's fuller in the top, if that makes sense to you. So I added a human piece of hair to the braiding portion of this style before I started to switch over to the twist. So what you want to do when you're twisting, you want to pick which direction you're going to twist to. In this video, I twisted to the left. No, excuse me. I twisted to the right. So it's like my left hand was the dominant hand when I did this placement. And you want to twist the hair before you wrap it over each other. So if you heard anyone ever say you're twisting while twisting, that's how you get the twist to lock. And then as you're going down, you want to try to fold in your natural hair. I use gel anytime I'm having a hard time getting the natural hair to stay in place, and you'll see me placing gel on that natural hair and then just twisting all the way down. Now for me, once I got to the bottom of the twist, I was doing a slip knot, but with the slip knot it was coming loose, like the twist wasn't as tight at the bottom. And I don't know if that was a me thing or pretty much how this style is going to go. But to avoid it, you want to make sure that you are adding in braiding hair as you go down the twist, so that it still has that thickness and it's not so thin that it begins to unravel. I also learned a tip from another video that it's better to use braiding hair that isn't pre-stretched to do these twists. So I'm going to try that the next time I do this style, just to see if I get better results and that the twist stays a little bit tighter. Because with pre-stretched hair, as it gets to the bottom of the braiding hair, of course it thins out, and so then that makes the twist also thin out, and I feel like it's not as tight at the bottom. But you're doing this very similar to knotless boho braid. I add in the human hair and I braid down a little bit, and then I pull that hair out of the braid and continue to braid. And it's the same motion when I do the twist. I'm twisting, and then when I get to a point where I'm ready to add the hair, I will twist in the straight piece. Well, I'll twist in the hair in general, and then I'll leave the straight piece in the twist, and then I'll pull out the curl and just continue to twist on, very similar to if you've ever done a knotless braid. And I really like this style because it's light. My daughter loves it. And then we mixed in a little bit of the Fulani look in the front, which just gave it a little bit more style, a little bit more pizzazz. It also, I don't know if it makes it quicker to do individual versus the Fulani in the front, because the Fulani is a little bit complicated because you're doing all these different styles. In the front is like single braids, cornrows, trying to make sure the parting is correct. But I do find that I like doing cornrows. I really like the technique of trying to get it really neat and pretty and all those things. So I will show you a little bit of the cornrowing in the front of the hairstyle. I also have another video that has the Fulani in it as well, that goes in a little bit more detail, and I'll be sure to add all these videos in the description if you want to take a look at those as well. So we have moved over now to doing the Fulani in the front. We did have an inspiration picture that we followed. I didn't do it exactly like the inspiration picture just because I didn't want so many braids in the front and me running out of space. I don't know, when I try to follow those inspo pictures, I don't know if my daughter's head is smaller than the inspo picture or if I'm not parting it right, but it seemed like they be having so many rows. I'm like, I don't know how I'm running out of rows. So anyway, I did it as close as possible and made sure that it was symmetrical on each side. For this style, the Fulani is the one that the middle part is the design. Okay, slow down. So what I'm trying to say is the middle part has a different design, but on the left and the right side, I just did the same exact design. So the first row was just a single cornrow to the back. Then I did a crisscross as the next design, and then after the crisscross braids, then I did I think about 5 triangle braids, and I did that on both sides. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm going to just let the music play for the rest of this because it really is just kind of a watch and learn, but let me know if there's any more detail that you need from watching.
No choice, and I'm here to let go, cause I need it. Never felt this. It's knocking in my heart. I want to run away and don't look back, but to a hiding place. I just want to free myself alive and never be the same girl. But I can't escape another brave bird, and I have to work tonight 'cause I'm late work. Hey, I want to run away and got nothing